Have you ever walked into a casino and completely lost track of time? You step inside for a quick game and suddenly it's 4 a.m. That is not an accident. It is a multi-billion-dollar psychological trap designed to hack your brain. Before we uncover the sinister design secrets keeping you trapped, smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Let's start with the most famous trick: absolute sensory deprivation. When you walk into a casino, look around. What's missing? Windows and clocks. By erasing the outside world, casinos eliminate your internal biological clock. There is no sunset, no sunrise, and no ticking clock to remind you of reality. Time stops existing. You enter a psychological state called timelessness, where your only reality is the game right in front of you. But it gets deeper. If you enjoy uncovering these hidden truths, drop a like right now to help the algorithm spread the word. Now look at the floor. The layout of a modern casino is a literal maze. Older casinos used tight, confusing pathways to physically trap you. Today, they use a psychological evolution called the playground design. Instead of narrow walls, you see high ceilings, luxurious decor, and wide open spaces. It feels comforting, almost like a high-end resort. But notice the clusters of machines. They are arranged in curved, organic lines. There are no straight aisles leading to the exit. Every single path gently curves, subtly redirecting your eyes and your feet back toward a gambling table or a slot machine. You think you're walking to the exit, but the architecture is quietly whispering, "Just one more spin." Why does this work so perfectly? Because of a phenomenon known as losses disguised as wins. This is the ultimate dopamine trap. Imagine playing a slot machine. You bet $2, pull the lever, and the machine lights up. Lights flash, sirens blare, and upbeat music plays. You just won 80 cents. But do the math. You bet $2 and got 80 cents back. You actually lost $1.20. Yet, your brain doesn't process the loss. The flashing lights and celebratory audio triggers a massive dopamine hit, tricking your mind into feeling victorious. The casino is literally celebrating your losses with you, conditioning your brain to keep pushing the button. This ties directly into the near-miss effect. Programmers intentionally calibrate slot machines to show matching symbols just 1 millimeter above or below the pay line. Your brain registers a near miss not as a failure, but as a sign that you are this close to winning. It forces your brain to think, the next spin is the big one. But the ultimate mental trap is how casinos weaponize the illusion of control. Humans desperately want to believe they can outsmart the system. Look at a roulette table. Above the wheel, there is always a massive digital scoreboard showing the outcomes of the last 20 spins. Red, red, black, red. This board serves no functional purpose for the game. It is there purely to trigger a psychological bias called the gambler's fallacy. When you see that red has won 5 times in a row, your brain naturally thinks black is due to hit next. But mathematically, the odds never change. Every single spin is completely independent. The casino gives you this data to make you feel like an analyst, forming a strategy, when in reality, you are just guessing. They even apply this to slot machines by giving you buttons to stop the reels or choose between hidden bonus items. These features don't actually change the pre-programmed outcome of the game. They exist solely to make you feel like your skill or timing matters. When you feel in control, you stay longer and bet larger sums of money. Even the air you breathe is weaponized. Many high-end casinos pump custom, signature fragrances through the ventilation system. These aren't just air fresheners. They are specific ambient scents, scientifically chosen to lower anxiety, boost feelings of safety, and increase overall physical comfort. When your body feels safe, relaxed, and slightly euphoric, your risk aversion drops significantly. You become much more willing to part with your hard-earned cash. Combine this with free-flowing alcohol, comfortable chairs that roll smoothly, and a complete lack of friction to exchange your real cash into abstract plastic chips or digital credits. And you have the perfect psychological prison. You aren't losing money because you lack willpower. You are fighting a system engineered by top neuroscientists to bypass your logic. If this blew your mind, subscribe to the channel right now for more eye-opening breakdowns. Drop a comment below telling me the longest you've ever stayed inside a casino. See you in the next video.